Areas around the latitude of 42 degrees north on Earth are mostly known for their cool and pleasant climate. But there is one exception, which is famous for its incredible heat. This is the Flaming Mountain in China's northwestern Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region. Of course, it is not really burning. The mountain is barren and red, with a blackish tint. In summer, ground temperatures can be as high as 70 degrees Celsius. People are tricked by their senses into seeing flames. The terrain is the main reason for the heat of the Flaming Mountain. It is located at the low point of the Turpan Basin, which is also the lowest point of the Chinese mainland. The height difference between it and the surrounding mountains is more than 5,000 meters, so the hot air in the basin cannot easily disperse. As a result, the Flaming Mountain becomes the hottest place on its latitude. There is no grass on the Flaming Mountain, but the canyon nearby is shaded by grapes. The canyon is only 8 kilometers long from north to south, but its annual output of grapes can reach more than 10 million kg. Almost every family here grows grapes. After harvest, they are sent to shade houses for drying. The shade houses are built on the slopes of barren mountains, high up and with no shelter, so as to make full use of the hot, dry winds in the Turpan Basin. There are many holes in the walls of the shade houses, which not only help with ventilation, but also help avoid direct sunlight on grapes. It takes just 40 days for the fresh grapes to be dried by the hot air.